No doubt, most homeowners believe in the functionality of garages. Garages can be a parking area for vehicles. Garages can serve as a workshop or a workroom for a particular messy hobby such as painting, woodworking, or carpentry, and as storage for gardening tools and equipments. Garages can also serve as your kid's playroom or your teenage son's band practice room. Aside from these, garage can be used as a place of storage for most of the heavy and bulky things at home which we do not need every day. The garage is usually one of the most overlooked space in the house, although it's also frequently the most seriously utilized. People like garages since they're versatile. Not simply can autos as well as boats be kept in household garages, lawn care items, lawnmowers, garden tools, along with other home improvement tools and necessary items are also frequently kept in garages. Garages provide a sheltered place with access to electrical outlets for many kinds of projects to get finished. As the main sort of project carried out in the garage is do-it-yourself, garages provide a great spot for arts and crafts too. There are many types of garages available, depending on the money a person would like to spend. The most commonly used are concrete garages, steel garages, metal garages, and temporary or thin sheet garages.